pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Coconut Rocks from the Beer Book, 19th edition, 1956. For this you will need 8 ounces of self-rising flour, 3 ounces of sugar, 3 ounces of coconut, 3 ounces of margarine, 1 egg and a little milk. Mix the flour, sugar, and the coconut in a bowl. Rub in the margarine. Beat the egg. Add the egg to the dry mix. And make into a stiff dough with a little milk. A stiff dough. Place the dough in rough heaps on a greased baking tray. Or maybe 2 baking trays. I'm using the ice cream scooper because it's super duper. Bake for 15 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. They're yummy too. I shall give them 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale. If it was Ian, about 1 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.